wonderful viewers. Welcome to Halfring Films, and I'm by the name Eugenia Nana Ama B. Brahma Jr., popularly known as Vic. Today, I'm here to interview our cast from Halfring Films. But before that, let's go for a quick commercial break. We shall be right back.
So tonight, I'm here with a very special guest called Sims Kwabena Mensah, the writer of Perfect Teens and the originator of Halfring Films. So we have here live Mr. Sims. You're welcome.
Oh, thank you, my brother.
Let me have a handshake for you because you are such a bulla man.
Hey, bulla. That's the brand.
Okay, yeah. So that you have been wasting time here, I'm here to ask you some questions.
Oh.
And I hope you are ready for them.
I'm ready for any questions.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, so first and foremost, I would want you to tell me about yourself. Who is Sims Kwabena Mensah?
I am Sims Kwabena Mensah. Everybody know me by the name Sims. So my full name is Sims Kwabena Mensah, if you don't know. The Sims is not a nickname. I was named after, let me see, the founder of Sims Senior High School. So if you hear anyone calling me Sims, yes, it's not a nickname. It's my English name. It's my English name. And I'm from Upper East. I'm not Ashanti guy.
Really? You're from Upper East, but you look like an Ashanti guy.
But this body is not Ashanti.
This body no be Ashanti body, but the face now it be Ashanti face.
You see, I was born and brought here. So.
Okay. Very nice. So those of you who wanted to know who Sims is, this is Sims for you. Okay, so I would want you to tell me how you set up this multimedia called Halfring Films.
Halfring Films. Let me see, the year 2020. We went for some audition and they bounced many of them. And me, I was close to the person that I thought, oh, he will say, oh, come and pass through because you have been doing this. Yeah, I've been doing this, let me say, like 2010. So I've been doing this for a long time. So I thought I know the person and he would put me through, but it didn't work. So one of my friends said, oh, since you can do this thing, I've been doing this for a long time, so let's set up something. We set up this Halfring Films. We created a group and we posted the link to that group that they didn't pick us. And we told them, if we are not picked and you are serious and you are interested in it, just join the group. And many of them joined. So we started, and some of my friends, I linked them up and we started everything. So that's how Halfring Films came to be. So Halfring Films, let me say that we are in, let me say, 3 years or 2 years now.
Okay, so you are just now in your 3 years.
Yeah.
Okay, so being in your 3 years, you just brought up a series called Perfect Teens. I wonder because many multimedias are out for like 15 to 10 years, but they've not even brought up, say, just even a short script. But you've managed to bring out a series. So I would want to know, and you are behind the idea that we should write the script. So you wrote the script. So I would want to know what inspired you to write Perfect Teens.
The youth inspired me.
The youth inspired you.
Not inspired.
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 I like your English. Yeah, Mr. Sims is killing me with English here.
Because, you know, we have been in school and I am a youth myself. So you see, I'm a youth, so I know our lifestyle. I've been in it, so I know everything. So I decided to say, like, it was one evening and I sat down and I said, but this thing I can do. I picked my phone, I said, this guy is coming out from this guy is there, they meet, and I just started typing. So that's how this story came to me. And the story is very everyone.
Yeah, it's very everyone because I myself have read through the script and I know it's a very nice script. Can't wait to watch it.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so I believe you have a support. I believe you have family members or let's say friends supporting you out there.
Oh yeah, I have support, but Almighty God.
Almighty God.
He's supporting me in everything.
But no, I asked of your family members.
You
said Almighty God. Okay, I know Almighty God
is one of my family members.
Yeah, okay. But he's the father of all.
So as for the family members, no, maybe they are supporting me in prayers.
In prayers.
That one they don't know.
But
financially, I am supporting myself.
Wow.
And I have my godfather, Pimpina. He's also supporting me in other aspects. But as for the financial deal, I'm supporting myself. And one guy is also out of the financial aspect in Perfect Things series. Bios Kumahegan. That's Girls President.
The guy called Girls President. Oh, hi, I pray that I meet him one on one.
Okay.
I'll be sounding like Girls President and the lie.
So he's also part of this financial.
That's it. Very good. May God bless you wherever he is. God, Nyame, big ups to you. So I saw you play the role in the Perfect Things, and I myself, it sounded you like a time there. I mean, some boss will be there. Specific book you've never. Specific boss will be there. Yeah, this is why I see you have my bodyguard around. Yeah.
You born as someone said.
Yes.
Come here.
Boss was
boy your director as your listening.
Yes.
Your program.
So I was shocked because girls were crashing on you. You were taking a sumbo and a whole lot. So, like, how do you love your character? How do you see your character?
Me, as for my character, what I love about my character is Bola.
Bola, no. I can't remember. All the girls were falling for you because today you wear Bola.
Oh, but you see,
okay, I mean, they should be Bola.
Bola. So the Bola was the next thing I love.
Okay, so the girls love your Bola. And you love the Bola about your character.
Yeah. And I love the part that they were crashing.
Crashing.
This boy doesn't have money. He's not handsome. He must have money. So they were crashing. But maybe it was the Bola.
No, I'm quite surprised because you being the writer, you should not put yourself in that place that girls will be,
Someone was saying that because, like, let me see, I play this role because I'm not that kind of person, like, maybe because again,
hey,
I'm not.
Yeah, I brought a question here.
I'm not that type of guy, but I saw myself in that, like I said, oh, this part I'll fit in. Like there were many roles that are very good and interesting, but I said, oh, this place I'll fit in because I have things that it will make the role interesting. So I just said, let me fit myself in.
So you have all the qualities to make the role spicy. Okay, I like that. So I would want you to, tell the youth something. You see, people are watching you and they want to become like you. Yes, you may not know who wants you as a role model.
You want to become like me?
Yes, who wants to become like you? You don't know. But before the advice, you brought up a question. Do you have a girlfriend?
Huh?
You have a girlfriend?
Hey,
tell me so bien. I'm going to be there.
Oh, serious?
It's really way.
I don't have a girlfriend.
Hey,
I don't have a girlfriend. I'm talking to the camera.
He says he's talking to the camera.
Yeah. If you know you're my girlfriend, come and
girlfriend, call him right now. Right now, as we did here.
My phone call him.
Easy.
So if you know you're my girlfriend, come and comment that you're my girlfriend so that I'll know that I have a girlfriend.
Okay.
But I don't have a girlfriend, but if you like me, hit me up.
So he's trying to tell us that he's single and searching. So ladies out there,
I'm single and free.
Free. So you're not searching.
My girlfriend is money.
Money. I like because I've been seeing your status. I'll make him millions today.
I'm making millions today, and people don't understand why.
I don't understand.
It's just something to inspire me. Like sometimes I like watching my status myself.
Okay, so
when I'm going to watch, like I'm going to check how many people have viewed my status, I will see that I'm making millions today. Today I'm making millions today, so I have to make millions.
You have to make millions, okay.
So
I like that.
It's just to inspire me, and if you see it inspiring you too,
I will start to use that one.
Thanks to God.
Yes, thanks to
Baba. That.
Okay.
Thanks to them too.
So, who is your role model?
My role model.
Yes, you yourself. Do you have a role model?
my role model. Do you know what is the name? Brain Jota.
Oh, he's my favorite.
Brain Jotter.
My favorite. My favorite.
That's what Brain Jotter used to do.
Okay.
So, Brain Jotter is my role model.
Okay.
And this American guy, Jack Chan.
What?
Yes, I like Jack
You
Chan.
inspired me to do what?
It's not that I can fight or something, but I like his creativity.
Creativity. Okay, yeah, he's very creative.
Jack Chan can use many things to create things. That's what I like about him.
But looking at your teacher and you telling me you can't fight, I will go back to that. So tell the youth something, those who want to be like you. He's lying. So I want you to tell the youth something that those who want to be like you.
Please,
Yeah.
don't try to be like me. Try to be more than who I am.
Okay.
Be yourself. Respect the brand. When you have a brand, respect it very well. Create, like, if it is this, wherever you are going, put this because it's the brand.
That is
And be yourself. Prayers.
okay.
Commitment.
So there is this thing I've been dying to ask you. Pacho, Mr. Ribisa, what's your way What's your way Ghana? Mr. Twitch and every baby.
Mr. Go.
Hey, we shall go over the 3 minutes. The 3 minutes also, Papa.
Oh, thank God to myself. It's also part of the brand.
No, I can that's it. You need to get
No, you can ask, you can see.
So it's your natural head. Ha, tell the guy get head. The new one,
it's part of the brand, protect the brand.
Yeah, so that's your brand. So I praise you when you with that.
Oh, I don't think so.
Yeah, fine. You brother.
And yet, me and yet.
And yeah, you what aspect?
A trailer swear. We shall have it done.
I think okay, so you have people out there, you have friends neglecting the family members, you say they are not helping. But I know you have friends out there that I would want you to give shout outs to them.
Oh,
just 5 people.
As for the family members, I give shout outs to. Let me start from Almighty God.
Yes.
Shout outs to you.
Only what I'm going to do.
Shout out to God. And shout out to my family members. Whoever is supporting. And I don't know whether he's my big brother or my junior brother. They are not even telling us the truth.
Okay.
One day they will say this is senior, one day they will say this is junior.
You twins?
Oh. Black coffee. Shout out to you.
Black coffee, same sort, yeah.
And shout out to Pimpana. He has been very supportive. In fact, he's my godfather, my everything. He's my godfather, but he doesn't know that he's my godfather. He supports me in prayers and everything. So shout out to him. And shout out to Half Rain Films crew members. Shout out to you all. You have been good. And very, very, very good, because if not because of you, we won't be here. You have been supportive. And shout out to the viewers, wonderful viewers. Shout out to you all. Thanks for watching us. We will always try and make you guys happy. And shout out to myself.
Yeah, well, shout out to my Lord.
And shout out to you.
Okay, thank you. So thanks to all viewers out there watching us tonight. Here is Sales Mensah, the director of Perfect Teens, and let's see, the brain behind Half Rain Multimedia. Yes, he's a very simple guy, and anyone would love him. But I can't let him go. I would want to give him a gift. I have a gift for him, yeah. You see, coming to this show today, I brought champagnes and all these kind of things.
Oh wow!
So I want to give you 2 champagnes. So you take them moment.
I hope there's non-alcohol.
Oh, this one is from Uptown Street. I bought
them. Wow, the champagne one.
Yeah, I ordered it, so you can have it.
Champagne. The 40% I wish I would be 40%.
Don't mind him, okay?
Yeah, the champagne go on.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You're most welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Keep up with the good work.
Okay. I'm out.
Yeah, he's out. Okay, lovely viewers, thank you once again, okay? So keep watching Half Rain movies.
Thank you very much, guys, for watching this interview. But don't forget to go to YouTube, search for Half-Rain Films, and watch Perfect Things. Don't forget, like it, share, subscribe, and even add comment to it, because there are more to come. And this movie is very interesting. Love you all. Bye bye.